Just for the heck of it, I'm recording our very first match together as a group.
Brutal.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Yeah, maybe this will be epic.
You serious?
Guys, I'm in.
Me
You guys
too.
in yet?
I'm still loading. I still probably got like 2 minutes, man. My load takes a while.
Alright, I'm by some kind of like border checkpoint.
I'm in the middle of nowhere. Let's see, I'm next to a lake and a wall.
The river.
Dude, I think I see somebody.
Some of those are other scavs. Don't shoot at them. Or
Dude, I don't trust
Ready?
my ability with these mouse controls yet to really try engaging somebody. What's
Is that you? Hey,
Oh shoot.
Shit.
that was me. Who the heck are you?
I just told you.
I heard that.
I just shot Rymer.
He just killed me.
And I shot Marvin in the face.
Why the fuck you do that?
I literally just load in. I'm like, oh look, I think that's one of you guys.
Dude, I don't trust
Ready?
my ability with these mouse controls yet.
Who, me?
No.
Hickey, let me know when you're coming, because I'll probably end up shooting you if you don't.
I'm just gonna get up here and see what happens.
At least.
Well, Deb, you got more kills than me in this game. Good job.
Alright, Zev, I'm gonna try and come up on you, okay?
Yeah. Thanks for giving me the heads up.
I'm running. Oh god.
Hey, it's you.
Oh god. Oh
I
god.
see you. I know it's you.
Okay, I'm in the thing.
Yeah. Okay. I know that's you.
2 very boring minutes later.
I got footsteps near me.
Oh,
Damn, I'm dead. You got me. Hickey's behind us.
Oh, I dropped one. The other one got me.
No.
Okay, Ruby. See you tomorrow at 5.
How was it?
Oh!